Hi everyone, my name is Michael and welcome to Reviup. In this video, we are going to demonstrate how you can set up your Reviup account. Once you've logged in, click on the Forms menu on the left hand side. There are no forms created yet, so let's go ahead and click on the Add Form button. In order to add a new form, you must type a name that will simply be used to distinguish this form from any other forms you might create. Next comes the logo image, which typically should be the logo of your website or brand. Then there's the title, which already contains a default title that you can change to any other title you'd like to. And the same thing applies to the message field, which contains a default message that you can change as well. You may also ask for a profile picture from your customers, which is totally optional. And last but not least, there's the theme color, where you may choose any color you'd like, as well as set a custom hexadecimal color code. Finally, let's hit save. And there you go. You just created your first form. You may at any time edit this form and change any setting you'd like to. So, once the form is created, let's check it out by clicking the Open menu. And there you go. Here's the form you can use to get reviews from your customers. The next thing to do is to export your form. There are several ways to achieve this. There's the badge, link, and the embed option. In the badge option, there are several positions where we can place the badge on your website. There's the top position, there's the bottom position too, and finally the left position. So for this example, we're gonna use the badge that's placed on the bottom. The badge color is normally the same as the form's theme color, but you may easily set the color of your badge in this field. To export this badge, simply hit the copy button to copy the badge's HTML code. Then head over to your website and add the badge's HTML code. So this is a demo website called Demo 1. So we may demonstrate how you can set up Reviup on your website. In this website, we used WordPress, but if you used any other technology and need help exporting the badge to your website, please feel free to contact us at info@reviup.com. Alright, so let's click on the Customize button, then click on Header Footer Scripts, and now simply paste the badge's code in the header scripts text field, and then hit Publish. There you go. The badge is now available on your website. And as you can see, the badge is always displayed no matter what's the scroll position on your website. How cool is that? Once the customer clicks on the Review Us badge, a new web page with the form is opened. Alright, so let's quickly see the other badge positions in action. Select the top position, copy the code, and paste it on the header script section as you did before. And voila! There you go. The badge is now displayed at the top of your website. Okay, now select the left position and again copy the code and paste it on the header script section. And there you go. The badge is now displayed on the left side. Now, let's change the color of the badge and update it on your website. As you can see, it's super easy to make changes to the badge and export it to your website. Now, let's change the form's theme color to match the badge color. And voila! There you go. Perfect. The second export option is a link you can easily send to anyone by email or through a messaging app, and also include the link on your website or on a custom link or even a button. Let's add a custom button to our homepage with this link. Awesome! Let's change the text of the button. And when the customer clicks on it, the review form is open. Now, how about we also add a custom link on the About page? Let's edit this page, write the link text, and add the link or URL code. And there you go, a custom link pointing to the form on a page. Last but not least, there's the embed option. Simply copy the code. Let's create a new page on the website. Let's write a title. Now select the HTML block, paste the code, save it, And how cool is that? The form is now displayed directly on your website. Cool. Now let's add a menu for this page. Hit save. Cool. You now have a menu pointing to the custom page that includes a review form. Now, how about we change that link in the About page to point to this new page with the embedded form? Let's edit the About page, scroll all the way down, click on the link, and insert the new URL to point to the page of your website that contains the embedded form. And let's see it live. And there you go. Now, as a final tweak, let's remove the option to open the page on the new tab. And voila! We can also change the homepage button to open the newly created page with the embedded form instead. So let's customize the theme, open the front page sections, pick title section, and change the button URL to this new page URL. And there you go. It works. Finally, we can also easily change the link of the badge to point to this new page as well. Cool. We may also remove the option to open a new tab. And you're all set. Let's now add some reviews as an example to test our form. First, we're gonna add Susan Smith's review. Type the email. Optionally add a profile picture, add a rating, write the additional feedback, and hit save. And we've just created a review. Now let's head back to our Reviup's account to validate this review. And here we can see the review we've just added with a summary of the fields. Let's open the review, click on the edit button, and change its status to approved. And there you go. Your first approved review. Now, we are going to add a few more reviews and we'll be right back to you. As an example, we have 4 fully approved reviews. And now, let's create a display to show the reviews on your website. Click on the Add Display button. Type a name for the display to easily distinguish it from other displays. Now, select the reviews you want to show. In this case, we're going to select all of them. And finally, select a theme. Hit save, and there you go. Let's click the Open button to see how the display looks. And there you go, your first display. Now, let's see how the other theme looks. Super cool. Next, we're going to export the display. And there's the link and embed options. Let's copy the link, open it up to see the display, and you may, for example, send this link by email or through a messaging app. The other way to export this display is the embed option. Let's go ahead and copy the code. Open up your website. Let's add a new page. Remove the sample block, add the new HTML block, and paste the code. Hit the Publish button, and let's now see how it looks. As you can see, the page is not in full width mode, so let's edit this page and change its layout template to full width. And there you go. You can now easily show your custom reviews on your website. Now, how about we add a menu for this page on this website? Add the menu, save, and voila! Super cool. In the Your Account section, you can edit personal info, change your password, select a pricing plan, here you can see the several features of each plan. You may at any time cancel the plan or downgrade or upgrade the current plan. And finally, there's the settings menu. You may at any time ask us for help through our Contact Us page that's easily available on several pages in Reviup. Thank you for watching.